So I worked, and then after that I didn't join. And then I don't have money, so I said, let's go. I talked to my boss. My boss is so close to me. She said, oh yeah, you will come to get the t-shirt inside my factory and sell outside.
And I'm working underground.
Yes, then after that, I said to my Kuya, let's go. We go to sell t-shirt in the market. That's the white Rhoda's mom. And then I said, let's go. We sell t-shirt. Then we sell every houses. I don't shy. I knock the door there, Motori. All those people, the university, they love those crocodile. So they buy it.
Nice.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
very, very good story I have.
Yeah.
I done
I wish
everything.
you kept one
Pang
of those
department
t-shirts.
store.
I done everything. This one is my
I bet she's got-
brother-in-law.
Still don't-
Yeah.
still don't want a t-shirt?
Huh?
One of the old t-shirts.
The
You
old
still have
t-shirt?
one?
Don't go.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
No more.
Yeah.
No more. They don't sell
Yeah.
anymore because when they have this
No more in
pandemic.
SM.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mga
because when the
department store.
pandemic, they closed the factory.
Yeah.
And then plus all my boss, they all died now. Yeah, and somebody take over like a brother-in-law, and they sold the factory, weaving, weaving,
Yeah.
making towel, and pants, and short pant, and the t-shirt, and the towel.
Yeah.
We have 3 factory. We're selling a weaving factory, like a lot of needle,
Yeah.
like they do this, you know that? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then every time somebody buy the t-shirt, and I'm the one make sample.
Yeah.
I make a sample like a short pen, and then we put that to the thing.
So many.
Put to the store,
Yeah.
in sample.
Experience.
Then a lot of people buy in my factory t-shirt.
Wow.
Yes, and then I make a jogging pants. I'm doing a sewing. We do side seam and shoulder and make buttonhole, and we have a lot of thread. We do this. Yeah, and buttonhole. I
Yeah.
make that.
There's
too.
so many
I have a lot of
Yeah.
experience myself.
You do have a lot of
I done
experience.
everything.
You have so many
Yes.
jobs. So many jobs.
Yes, I do everything. That's why when I apply in Canada, very easy.
Yeah.
Because I know already
Yeah.
about the industrial.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to work.
Good skills.
Yes, I got everything. That's why when I apply like a big company, very easy. Where I get the Cisco because for the factory
Is your
that's...
t-shirt shirt,
Huh?
some partner drink beer?
Yes, this one, she used to be drinking beer. She used to drink beer, but now she's sick. Are you stealing beer? Still drinking?
No.
No more now. Before she drinking beer. But now no more cut because she's sick. Yeah. Right?
Senior.
No more. Yeah. Before it's good. You can drink beer. You know how this I did everything myself.
I know. You're so
Everything.
hardworking.
So you
Pretty
cannot.
brave for a
Yeah.
And then I'm a supervisor to the big factory.
I know.
You know, every time they come
Kailangan
meeting,
ko para
and every time they have meeting,
We heard the story.
and they have meeting. That's why we know that when they have meeting, I join to all designer.
Yeah.
This designer T-shirt. It's a big company. Designer do the drawing to do how cutting, drawing the name.
Yeah.
Every time I got this meeting, I always do it to the big shot.
Nice.
Me.
Get your experience.
Yes. You see?
I know.
This is my partner. I never forget that.
Yeah. Aw.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Bear partner with business.
si ano hindi tell ulit.
That's right.
Your business.
Business. Oh, she knows already.
Oh.
Just sit.
No. That's okay.
No.
No. Yeah. Casey. This is my partner when I sell t-shirts.
Oh, come here. Oh,
When I
there's
used to sell
You heard the story.
Yeah. Heard
You
it.
know when they're on strike?
we're on a strike.
Yeah.
And I don't join the strike to the factory.
She ended up taking samples and selling 70,000.
Yes.
Crazy.
This is my partner. We're knocking the door
Okay, like a
because I didn't
one
join. I used to be a supervisor factory. big kangaroos, like crocodile. We used to sell those. And then after that, when the oven strike, I didn't join because I had to go to abroad. So what I did, I asked my boss if I can sell outside. So where I get the T-shirt and I said, this is my partner, Rhoda's dad. So we used to knocking the door, every dormitory. So we sell, we get the T-shirt like 50 peso, we sell 120. So we profit like 70 easy. Every T-shirt.
That's pretty good,
You
Mom.
see?
You're a hustler.
You're pretty
Yes!
impressive.
I done that everything. What do you think, man?
Looks good.
Do you think you love it?
She's so cute.
Ah, so many stories.
How old are you?
Happy?
Oh, yes.
Check for some month how old I am.
65. How old are you? 65. Ano?
60.
You don't know my age?
Ano, Neng?
1962. So, Toto, how old Toto?
Like what month?
Ako?
Si Toto.
Toto?
Carlos.
Senior si Toto.
Ay, si
Ano?
Tutuan.
I did that.
Tutuan na yung phone.
Nandito ah.
Para sa.
Yeah.
Nandyan siya.
Kanina?
Nandyan si Toto kay ano.
Kay Mana.
Doon, barating sila.
Yeah.
Sabi?
Oo, sabi.
All together, complete photo.
Ha?
Remembrance na ning
Di ka ro,
Yes.
pero rubay eh. Tulat-halatin ka naman.
Ha?
Tulat-halatin naman.
Oo ah, nandyan sila.
Ara na, coming na sila.
Darating na.
Oh, sige, sige.
Pakinggan mo ko.
Oh.
Darating sila na. Pakinggan ko manangnan. Huwag mong ilagay sa Facebook.
Ay, hindi, hindi.
Mapuli kami karuning, masakay kami sa taxi, mapuli palang buno.
Ay, hindi.
Ilagay sa Facebook kasi maayaw nila.
Hindi ah, wala.
Yan, sa atin na.
Oo.
Mapuuli kayo mamaya.
Oo, sa taxi, masabay kami sa taxi, Tagalambunan.
Sino?
Si, ano, si